Vivek, you join from the starting for the session today. So open your camera, please, and give me feedback.
Sure, sure.
How was session? How was today's session? And what you learned?
Today's session was very interesting. Learned about the platform event, and yeah, like earlier we had also used LMS, so it was based on same kind of context, like publisher method and subscribe. But instead of subscribing or publishing from the parent, we are publishing it from the Apex controller and then getting the result. So yeah, I mean, got to understanding of it. It's
So
good.
your concept is clear. How does you work platform event in LWC component? How to pass data?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. Now let me go to Santosh.
I sir joined.
Could you please open your camera?
Yes, sir.
So
I
your concept is clear. How does work platform event in LWC component?
sir, I'm
You
not.
joined actually late. You joined late, so don't worry. I recorded the session. I will provide to you. Go through the video. Okay.
Actually, I'm in front of office laptop and I'm doing here. That's what, sir.
Okay.
It's
So
not completed.
today it is last day of the master class. Today is 10th day. So thank you so much for joining continuously 10 days.
Yes.
And
Last 2 days I left. I mean, today and yesterday.
yeah.
So,
Sir, I've joined on 10 every 10 days regularly, so I need
You joined
those
from 0
days.
to 10 days. Thank you so much.
In fact, 15 days, sir.
Yes.
Like before
So
5 days
now
also.
today I will give some bonus as per commitment.
Yes, sir.
Okay.